Hey friends, welcome to FX Yogi. In today's video, let's learn what moves the CHF. Price of gold. As mentioned earlier, the CHF has an 80% correlation with the price of gold, as 25% of Switzerland's cash is backed with gold reserves. When gold prices go up, the CHF usually goes up as well. Conversely, when gold prices slide, the CHF likewise declines. Developments in the Eurozone and the US. Since Switzerland is an export-dependent country, it is vastly affected by the economic development of its major trading partners in the Eurozone and the US. Switzerland's major export partners in the Eurozone are Germany, 21.2%, France, 8.2%, Italy 7.9%, and Austria 4.5%. The US, meanwhile, takes about 8.7% of Switzerland's exports. Poor economic performance in any of these countries could mean less business for Switzerland. Sorting out the rough edges. Political tension in its neighbors in Europe, particularly in the Eurozone, could cause traders to seek the safety of the Swissy. Remember that the Eurozone is a brood of 16 states with the ECB directing and implementing a set of monetary policies for the entire group. Given that the economies of the member countries grow at different paces, ECB policies sometimes go against what a single nation needs at a specific time. The X factor. USD CHF pair is also affected by the cross exchange rates like Euro CHF, a jump in the euro's valuation due to a hike in the ECB's interest rate, for example, could spill the Swissy's weakness onto other country currency pairs like USD CHF. Merger and acquisition activities. Switzerland's main industry is banking and finance. Merger and acquisition activities are simply the buying and selling of firms are very common. How can this affect the spot prices of the CHF? For example, if a foreign firm wishes to acquire a business in Switzerland, it will have to pay for it using CHF. On the other hand, if a Swiss bank, for example, wishes to purchase a US firm, it will then have to dump its CHF for the USD. Trading USD CHF pair. USD CHF is traded in the amounts denominated in USD. Standard lot sizes are $100,000 while mini lot sizes are $10,000. The pip value, which is denominated in CHF, is calculated by dividing 1 pip 0.0001 by USD CHF's rate. Profit and loss are denominated in Swiss francs. For one standard lot position size, each pip fluctuation is valued at 10 CHF. For one mini lot position size, each pip fluctuation is worth 1 CHF. To illustrate, if the prevailing market rate of USD CHF is 1.0600 and you want to trade one standard lot, then 1 pip would be equivalent to 9.4340 USD. Margin calculations are typically in USD. At 100:1 leverage, you need $1,000 to control 100,000 units of USD CHF pair. That's all for today. Let's catch up in the next video with more interesting content about the trading tactics of USD CHF. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.